It's actually pretty common for physics to lead people to believe that the universe is created, because when you study the laws of physics and you study mathematics, what you realize is that if you were going to make a universe that works, the odds of just randomly picking the math is actually less than 1 out of infinity. That's a countable infinity. And you can see that in the number of spatial dimensions. That's the easiest way to look at that. If you look at phase transitions, liquid solid is one that we're all familiar with, but there are millions of these. These are necessary to have complexity at the atomic and molecular level. If you don't have a universe with that, you're not going to have life. When you look at phase transitions and you look at the math, there's an upper critical dimension and a lower critical dimension. And outside of that range, and those dimensions are physical dimensions, spatial dimensions, outside of that range, you don't get phase transitions. Below, you don't have enough dimensions to have complexity. And above, you have complexity, but you also have this statistical behavior where everything gets very samey. The sweet spot for phase transitions, 3 spatial dimensions. Odds of hitting that, if the universe just happened to exist, literally 1 out of infinity. And yet, the odds of having a workable universe are much smaller than even 1 out of infinity, because you have other laws of physics and parameters, which also are very unlikely.